Hey everybody, it's your homegirl Katy. Welcome to the channel. I am taking you through a community tour of Solana today. This community is something I just haven't quite seen here in our area of Southwest Florida yet, so I'm really excited to show it to you today. It is a tiny home slash cottage community. So every home in here is under 500 square feet. Isn't that insane? Solana offers a maintenance-free living lifestyle, and that means that all of your lawn care throughout the community and landscaping is taken care of. So you don't have to worry about your grass, mowing it every week when we get our rainy season here in Florida. And it just makes it easier for the homeowners here. This is a 55 and up active living community, and what that means is at least one of the owners in here has to be 55 or older. So Demi Me decided to shoot at the absolute hottest time of day, so I am sweating, but it's gonna be all right because there's such a relaxing pool right in front of me. Sunglasses is a little better, but I'm here at the community pool. You can see it right behind me, and we've got some awesome grilling areas, some bar areas, shaded areas with some water fountains, bathrooms, grills, cornhole, spas, fire pits, you name it, it's here. So it creates an awesome environment for if you have friends or family or any guests that are coming to stay and you want to entertain and bring them out, but obviously, can't entertain too much with only 500 square feet. So this gives you the space within the community to actually have people over and entertain. The landscaping along the main boulevard or street here is really manicured all the way up to your gates. So it really gives you that lock and leave lifestyle if that's what you're looking for. All of these cottages are actually built to the Florida building code, which is pretty strict because we have some pretty substantial storms that come through here in hurricane season. So it's awesome that it's not just built to HUD standard, but actually Florida building code, which is a step above. There's quite a bit of space in between, so you're not right on top of each other. You do get a little bit of a side yard. Again, for those pets, you have the dog park, and there's plenty of pet stations in and around the community itself too. Accessibility is built into these designs with optional ADA accessible features, just like this wheelchair lift. Now it's time for my favorite part, the homes themselves. Solana currently offers 4 different cottage floor plans, and while they're all under 500 square feet, each one of them has its own unique layout, personality, and use of space. Let's kick things off with the Chateau Model. Coming in at 499 square feet, this floor plan is a great example of how smart design can make a smaller home feel surprisingly spacious. Right away, the vaulted ceilings and large windows make the living area feel super bright, open, and welcoming. It doesn't have that cramped feeling people often expect from a tiny home. The open concept layout flows seamlessly into the kitchen, where you'll find plenty of cabinetry, and yes, they're all soft close. I'm opening up the cabinets just to show you how much storage is actually in these bad boys. The kitchen is complete with modern finishes and enough counter space for everyday cooking. It feels practical without sacrificing style. As we continue through the home, you'll notice that the bedroom is centrally located, making it convenient while keeping the rest of the layout open and functional. I just can't believe this is a full-size bathroom. I mean, you are not compromising for any space in here. There's a pocket door leading to the bedroom, and there's enough space for a queen-size bed, bedside tables, and storage, creating a comfortable retreat for the end of your day. What I really like about the Chateau is that every square foot has a purpose. There's very little wasted space, and honestly, it feels more like a thoughtfully designed cottage than a tiny home. There's a huge walk-in closet back here, in-unit laundry so you don't have to share with the rest of the community, and I cannot believe there's a full-size pantry in this home as well. If you're looking to simplify your lifestyle without giving up the comforts of your home, this is a floor plan that's definitely worth a look. Next up is the Casa Blanca. Just like the Chateau, this floor plan comes in at 499 square feet, but it has a completely different feel from the moment you walk inside. Right away, I noticed how open and bright everything feels. Between the tall ceilings, all the windows, and the light finishes, it's easy to forget you're in a home that's under 500 square feet. As we move into the kitchen, you've still got everything you need, full-size appliances, plenty of cabinet space, and a layout that keeps everything within reach without feeling overcrowded. They're even showing off a mobile island in this kitchen, which I think is so cool. The attention to detail in this model being under 500 square feet has me floored. You've got a full-size pantry here, and I love this workspace. You could have it be work from home, like home office space, or craft table, sewing table, anything of that nature. Full washer and dryer, and we're looking at your full-size bathroom here. Again, updated finishes, quartz countertops. I like how it's nicely tucked away from the main living area too. You do have a tankless water heater in here. Could be a good linen closet space, and tucked all the way in the back is the bedroom. The bedroom is small, but you can still fit a full-size queen and a couple nightstands. I think what stands out most about the Casa Blanca is just how comfortable it feels. It's simple, it's efficient, and it would make for a great full-time home or even the perfect Florida retreat if you're looking to downsize and spend some more time enjoying the lifestyle instead of maintaining a big house. This is the Sierra Sky, and I think it has one of the smartest layouts in the whole community. As soon as you walk in, you're welcomed into one open living space. The living room flows right into the kitchen, making the home feel bright, comfortable, and really easy to live in. One thing I noticed right away is the guest bath just off the main living area. That's a feature you don't always see in a home, especially a home of this size. And it means guests have their own bathroom without walking through your bedroom. I also really like the kitchen. It has everything you need, and it never feels like you're giving anything up just because the home is smaller. The layout is efficient, and everything is right where you would want it to be. As you make your way to the back of the home, you'll find the primary bedroom. It feels private and separated from the main living space, and it even has its own full ensuite bathroom. And by the way, that's a normal size closet for a normal size home. I think that's what makes the Sierra Sky stand out. It gives you the convenience of a guest bath while still offering a primary suite, all within 499 square feet. It's just a really thoughtful layout. This is the Terra, and I think this floor plan has one of the coziest feels in the whole community. Right from the front porch, it feels like the kind of place where you could sit outside with your morning coffee or wind down after a day at the beach. As we step inside, you're welcomed into the living room, and just like the other models, the vaulted ceilings do a great job of making the space feel open and inviting. The kitchen sits just beyond the living area, and I really like how it's laid out. You still get full-size appliances, plenty of cabinet space, and counter space for your everyday cooking without taking away from the living space. I'm just pointing out this full-sized double-door pantry here with tons of space for all of your goodies, snacks, pet food, biscuits, all of that good stuff. I'm just simply amazed at how much storage space they actually included in these models. As you continue through the home, you'll pass by the full bathroom before making your way into the bedroom tucked away in the back. Similar to the other models, full-size shower, and you get the tankless water heater in your linen closet. As we make our way to the bedroom, you'll notice that having it separated from the main living area gives you a little extra privacy and makes it feel like its own space. I'm fiddling around with the closets here just a little bit to show you how much storage is actually in these closets. This is the type of closet you would see in a standalone 15 to 1600 square foot single family residence here in Florida. I can't believe how much space they fit in here. What I like most about the Terra is how comfortable it feels. Nothing feels oversized, nothing feels wasted, every part of the home has a purpose, and if you're looking for a low maintenance Florida lifestyle, I think this layout really does a nice job of balancing comfort and simplicity. Last but definitely not the least is the Villa Rosa, and this one offers something none of the other floor plans do. As soon as you step inside, you're greeted by a bonus room that gives you so much flexibility. Whether you need a home office, a hobby room, a guest bedroom, or a visiting family, or even just a second sleeping space, this extra room can easily adapt to your lifestyle. It's currently configured with a Murphy bed, but you can see how you can utilize this space differently depending on your needs. From there, the home opens into a bright and comfortable living room area with vaulted ceilings that make the space feel much larger than 499 square feet. The kitchen flows seamlessly off the living room and is designed to make the most of every inch. You'll still have full-size appliances, plenty of cabinet storage, and enough counter space for everyday cooking and entertaining. Towards the back of the home, you'll find a full bathroom and the private primary bedroom, giving you a nice separation between your living spaces and where you unwind at the end of the day. Again, we have the same linen closet with the tankless water heater, full-size shower, quartz countertops, all of the necessities you'll need for your bathroom. What really makes the Villa Rosa stand out is its versatility. That extra room in the front completely changes how you can use the home, making it a great option for anyone who wants a little more flexibility without giving up the simplicity of cottage living. After walking through all 5 floor plans, I was genuinely impressed by how each model felt unique in its own way. They may all be the same size, but each layout offers something a little bit different. Whether you're looking for a dedicated home office space, extra space for guests, or just a cozy place to enjoy the Florida lifestyle, there's a floor plan here that feels like home. Now, if you choose to come and build one of these tiny home cottages, this is on a land lease structure. So you don't actually own the land that the property is on, you own the building itself. And what that means is there is a monthly fee, but that does cover your gate, your amenities, landscaping, and all of that good stuff. So you actually aren't even paying property taxes because you're not paying for the ground. Your land lease fee does run around $850 monthly. Again, that covers pretty much everything for you. Now, base prices in here are around $104, and some of the floor plans can even go up to around $146.9 or $147. So there's a broad range, but still, you're able to get a home near the beach, within 20 minutes from the beach, under $150,000, and it's brand new build. I hope this tour gave you a better idea of what life at Solana Cottage Resort is really like. From the amenities to the different floor plans, I can definitely see why this community has been getting so much attention. If you have any questions about pricing, lot leases, availability, or you'd like to schedule a private tour, I'd be happy to help. You can find all my contact information in the description below. And if you're thinking about making a move to Southwest Florida, make sure to subscribe because I'll be touring neighborhoods, communities, and hidden gems all across the area to help you find the place that's right for you. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.